Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to delete your Spotify recently played history. This is a very simple tutorial that I'm sure you'll be able to follow if you watch carefully. First up, open Spotify. All you really have to do is go to Settings, which is the gear icon at the top of the screen. Now, scroll down until you find Storage. There will be a button that says Clear Cache. Then, just simply tap on it and you're done. What this does is it clears all the data or music that you listened to in the past. All of that history is gone now. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.